Hey, I'm Drummer. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Audio-Technica LP-120XUSB. This is an upgrade off their extremely popular LP-120, which is one of our favorite turntables to use here at Crutchfield, and our customers have loved it too. They took what was great about that turntable and just kind of added a couple new things to it to spiff it up and make it even more exciting. So one of the things I like a lot about this turntable, it's a manual direct drive turntable, which means it's really accurate. The speed is just spot on. Some of the belt-driven turntables might take a couple seconds to kind of warm up as the platter moves, the belt starts to work around. This thing, you press the button and it starts and you're good. That's it. One of the cool things I like about the setup on this thing too is that there's no having to move a belt underneath the platter. If you're changing speeds, there's a button for that for 33 and 45. That's it. There's no belts to move. The ease of use on this thing, the setup is just easy to get to. So there's your start button. There's no button hidden behind it or underneath it where it's hard to focus on or how to get to. It's right there. Other features that kind of set this thing apart are a couple fun things. This is one of the few turntables we have that have lights on them, and there's a reason for that. So when the turntable is moving and you have all these dots on the platter here, you want to see them kind of in an even row, and that's what this light does. It shines a light on them so you can see exactly what you're doing. That way your speed and your pitch are controlled and it's going to sound perfect and make your records sound the way they're supposed to sound. Another feature that sets this turntable apart from a lot of its competition or even cheaper turntables is the customization of what you can do with it. So you can take off whatever cables came with it and put your own RCA cables in the back and customize your system to make it your own. So if you have a set of cables that you really love and you know they're going to sound good, you want to put it with this new turntable, you can do that. You're not stuck with what comes with the turntable, and that's it. This turntable also has a phono output built into it, so you can just plug it right into a receiver if you want, or to a pair of powered speakers, which is great. Nice simple little system there. If you do want to use your own setup too, you can always plug it into your own phono pre-out as well. The headstock on this thing is universal, so you can take it off and put your own on if you want to. If you wanted to change out the cartridge, that makes it a lot easier too to be able to take this whole thing off and just do that. A lot of other turntables come with the headstock attached to the tonearm, and so you can't change that. It makes things really hard to do sometimes, and if it's your first time messing around with a turntable, that makes life a lot easier and gets you more excited about being able to customize your own brand new turntable. So this new Audio-Technica LP-120XUSB comes with an even better cartridge pre-mounted right out of the box. Sounds fantastic. It's the VM95E, which is an upgrade over the last one from the LP-120. It's got a higher output, sounds better, less hum, and it reads the records better. So beyond those features, the new Audio-Technica LP-120 features basically aesthetic changes. They moved a couple of buttons around. The body is one piece instead of being a couple different pieces this time. So it just looks really cool. It looks really sleek. Some of the design changes on the looks of the buttons and the headstock. It's just a cool looking turntable. So, you know, not only does it sound great, but if you got this set up somewhere and your friends are coming over, they're going to say, what's this cool looking thing? Well, it's the brand new Audio-Technica. This is the LP-120XUSB replacing the really, really popular LP-120 from Audio-Technica. A turntable we're all really excited about. We loved the last one, so we're really into this one too. If you got any questions about this turntable or any other turntables that we sell, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our advisors are here to help.